Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing one of my most requested videos, which is a video over my favorite fonts. Now this one is specifically going to be going over fonts for welcome signs. So a lot of the fonts are going to be including the tails and the swashes and all of those special embellishments that really make your sign stand out. So fonts play a huge role in designing and are a great way to showcase your own style, wedding theme, or whatever mood, feeling that you are trying to portray. So all of the fonts that I'm talking about today are available through Creative Fabrica. I actually have a monthly subscription with them, which gives me unlimited access to their fonts, graphics, and ready-to-make crafts library. So they have tons of quality fonts, like over 23,000 currently. So you're gonna find fonts that are gonna be great for all sorts of projects, not just wedding signs. They have font duos, font trios, and even font families that are perfect for signs that are using multiple fonts. These fonts can be used on any software that supports font files, such as Cricut, Silhouette, and Word. I will also be sharing a 30% discount with you that you can share on the subscription plans, so I will make sure to leave that coupon code down below. Okay, so let's get right into it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the video comments. I try to get back to every single person, and best of luck to you if you're getting married and working in your own wedding signs. I really hope that this video helped you. I do have other tutorials that go over like how to download a font, how to add those glyphs and the tails on the end. So maybe I'll link that one down below too, just in case like you get a subscription, then you're like, well, what do I do now? How do I download these fonts? How do I add the cool tails and stuff on the ends? This video should be able to help you with that. But thank you so much for watching this, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Just film here. I do have a monthly subscription with them. All of the fonts that I'm talking about today are available through Creative Fabrica. And 1,000 fonts, graphics, and ready-to-make crafts. If you have the monthly subscription, then that is included. Then all of those are... I can't even go by my script anymore, you guys. Okay, let me just read straight from my damn script then. Creative Fabrica, which is the online market for font files like Cricut, Silhouette, Word, is great for creatives like myself. $29 graphics and crafts library. Gives you unlimited access to their fonts, crafts, and ready to make.